Hello, it's another cycle with me video. Ride on the bike with me video. In the English countryside. In the English country garden. Karaoke there for you. Do check out my singing videos, which will be arriving here soon. Probably on a private listing though, so you'll probably have to go through the link. Now this part, we start coming into civilization. This is a bridge across a busy road in the fields. Where you hear all the noise there. Have a little rest here. My water. That's my way to go back. And that was the way I came. Once again, thank you for watching. And I will speak to you soon. Bye!